SLS is often used for prototyping parts that will ultimately be injection molded in production. But when end-use parts are produced with SLS, it's possible to include features that can't be injection molded, such as internal voids, lattice structures, negative draft angles, and hollow spaces. Another possibility is printing ready assembled parts. There needs to be clearance for unsintered powder to be removed from between the parts, but it can be a useful technique for some assemblies, particularly if you need a hinge mechanism. Relatively large parts can be printed, but large flat surfaces or long slender parts can warp due to the thermal distortion during the cooling down of the build. Living hinges can be printed that the life of the hinge will be limited. Both internal and external threads can also be printed, but it's best to check with our production team to ensure we can print the desired feature. Our human SLS experts are always happy to discuss design details, such as wall thicknesses, hole sizes, tolerances, text, and graphics. So please contact us if you have any queries.